Baba Tibing. Baba Tibing. Simba Arati Tibing. Gladys Wanga Tibing. Wamefurahi wote. Ya kwanza nataka kupitisha rambirambi zangu kwa kiongozi wetu, familia yake yote, Baba Raila Amolo Odinga. Tunapigia Mama Ida pole kwa kupoteza mzee Karimu mwenye haki, the father of devolution of our country. May his soul rest in peace. And back to our county, Kisii County, we want to ask and request our county governor, His Excellency Paul Simba Arati, kindly give us even 2 buses so that we may go to Siaya and give Baba a decent send-off as the Gen Zs of Kisii County and as the supporters of ODM. Baba, we are waiting for the way forward. Simba Arati, we have hope in you. Thank you. We have done it all.
As comrades from Kisii, we have been very strong with our party, ODM. This message goes to our governor, Simba Arati. Yes. As Kisii comrade, yes, we want to ask for your support for transportation. Yes. Yes. So that you give us transportation. Yes. Tomorrow. Because the only person who can listen to our messages now. Currently we are waiting for your support. Mario of Right Honorable Raila.
Okay, take this evening to pass my sincere condolences to the family of Raila Amolo Odinga and the entire country. On behalf of the Gen Zs from Kisii, we are passing our sincere condolences because a great leader, a father of devolution, a father of the modern constitution has passed away. So we are requesting the government and the Kisii County government to facilitate the Gen Z from Kisii to go condole with the family and the entire country in Bondo, mourning the great leader and the father of devolution. Thank you.